Greetings, music lovers and fine arts enthusiasts. Just enjoying a cup of the nectar of the gods right here. And I've been making these videos for a while and I've been getting some requests in, but I took them into consideration and I decided to keep making these videos anyway. And well, anyway, today I'd like to bring to you this show you whatever you want to say. I want to show you this 1970's Epiphone I got here. I bought this from a guy off of Marketplace at a reasonable price, I thought. And it was a basket case when I got it. Let me tell you exactly what was wrong with it. I think it's pretty common. Probably a pretty common thing with these guitars. As you see, this has got a bolt-on neck, and this guitar was made during the days when Epiphone, of course, Gibson bought Epiphone, and they were made in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and it was during the transition period when they took Epiphone and moved it over to Japan. And that was in the early to mid 1970s, and I'm sure that's what year this guitar is. It's probably 40 plus years old. But anyway, getting back to the guitar, this guitar actually is set up similar. If you ever had a frameless guitar, frameless guitars were from Germany, and they were kind of popular in the U.S. They were hard. It was hard for them to compete with some of the U.S. manufacturing companies, but they had a bolt-on neck and an adjustable bridge, just like this guitar. And they were over here in the mid 60s to the mid 70s, and they made a good guitar. It's just the fact that they just couldn't compete with Martin and Gibson and all the rest of them. And well, anyway, so I took this guitar here and pulled the neck off, of course. The strings were like a half inch, no lie, they were a half inch off the neck at the octave fret. And this bridge here, they must have along the way must have lost the adjusters on the bridge. There's supposed to be two flathead adjusters that were big, and they put some screws in there, and they tried to adjust the bridge by putting the pressure on the guitar this way, and they put two little metal things in there to try to hold it up. But how the bridge is designed is it's supposed to hang off a wooden bridge and hold the pressure that way. So I took that apart. This was cracked here and here. The bridge was pulled off here. I glued this together, pressed it together, and let it sit all night. Shot the glue around all the way around the doggone bridge and everything, and got that set. And I worked on the neck pocket and the neck block a couple of times. I had to redo it once, but anyway, I got it planned. Cut the neck pocket or the neck block off of here. Made some braces on the inside. Made sure this was flat and not caved back in. But anyway, she's playing good. I don't know if this was ever an expensive guitar when it was brand new. Not sure. I think maybe back in the 70s, I bet this guitar was maybe $225 or something. I'm not sure. Maybe that kind of price range. But she's true. I mean, bad for a guitar I paid a few bucks for, I don't think, but I enjoy working on them. I like to work on guitars and clocks, you know. The only reason I bought this guitar is my wife Billy, she says, you know, you're buying too many doggone clocks, you know. So I found this guitar and got that, you know. You gotta listen to the women, you know. Well, let me muddle through this this version of the Jimi Hendrix song I like to do. Hope I don't mess it up, because man, the tape is running, you know. Sister will. Red House. As my old friend Jeff McGee used to say, if you keep picking it like that, son, it ain't never going to heal. Well, anyway, this right here is the Epiphone I bought for a few bucks, and I got her to play. And hey, if you got any questions about this guitar or anything, or you're working on one and it's just like that, hey, feel free to email me or leave me a message or something, and I'd be glad to help you out. I don't know. I know it's a nice guitar and it sounds nice, and I think there's a lot of conflicting reports on this guitar. They say this is laminate and the sides are laminate, but then I read again where the side or the top is spruce and the sides are mahogany. I'm not real sure I can tell the difference. Tell you the truth, I don't know. I know the neck is mahogany on it. It's got a really nice neck. It's got the old-fashioned, looks like tuners. Looks like old Klusen tuners or whatever. I think I'm going to end up replacing these eventually. I kind of like hip shot locking tuners on an acoustic guitar. I got the other guitar I usually play has that on there, and I mean you can pick it up a week later and it's still in tune, you know. This one here, it took a while for it to stay in tune. I picked it up today and played it for the first time in about 2 days, and it played right in tune. It was right in tune and everything. I was pleasantly surprised. Well, anyway, that's the old Epiphone right there, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And all right, we'll see you later. Bye now. Thanks for watching.